Why did this madman drive into police officers? And what's even crazier is that he survived a hail of bullets. Let's find out who this madman is and how everything unfolded in today's video. It all started when Futhil officers received multiple radio calls about a traffic collision where the driver fled the scene.
Oh yeah, hi. So I just was involved in a hit-and-run crash. It's I think I got the correct plate for it, but it was
Does anyone need a paramedic?
No, everyone's fine. I parked on the side. I moved the car was able to still move to the side, so it's all good. I'm not going to obstruct traffic or anything like that.
Is there any city property involved? Any street signs, light poles, fire hydrants?
No, but the car that hit me was from the water and power, so maybe, yes.
The car that hit you was a DWP truck?
Yes.
Okay, how could you tell? Did it have like the city emblem, or how did you know it was a city truck?
It had water and power. It had a California exempt plate. I also have the plate number, but it just said water and power on the side.
Okay, yeah. And so they didn't stop?
No, they didn't stop. They just left.
Hi, good evening. I'm calling to report. There was a white gentleman driving a fire department car vehicle. It was DWP. It was a DWP, and he just took the red light. I don't know if it was stolen because the guy was shirtless, and he went in the middle of traffic, and he was heading north down San Fernando Road.
You saw this at San Fernando Road and what cross street?
He almost hit us.
Yes. He almost hit
Paxton?
And San Fernando Road, yes. And he was.
And what time did this happen?
Just right now.
Okay. And what color? It was a pickup truck, or what kind of DWP car?
It was a white DWP.
Is that a pickup truck, or what kind of car was it?
SUV.
An SUV?
Yes.
Okay, were you able to see the license plate of the SUV, of the DWP car?
No, because he almost went. Had the green light, and he almost went right into us.
Okay, hold on just one moment, please. Hold on.
Hi, they just crashed a guy with the water and power truck. Crashed into my mother-in-law's house, and he hit my mother-in-law, my boyfriend.
Does anybody need an ambulance?
Yeah. Well, I don't think they need an ambulance.
Okay, so a DWP truck hit your house and hit your mother?
Yes, he was a guy with tattoos, and I guess he was drunk or something.
Is he still there?
No, he left.
And the truck said LADWP on it?
Yes.
Okay. What's your address?
It's Lauren Canyon Boulevard.
Were you able to get the license plate number?
No.
What color was it?
What color was
Was
it?
it a white DWP?
Yes.
Okay, we'll send the police out there.
Thank you.
After assessing the situation, a preliminary investigation determined that the crime committed was an assault with a deadly weapon using a vehicle. A description of the vehicle, a large white SUV, was broadcast. Responding officers located the vehicle, leading to a pursuit.
One. Stop. Good. Is it start now? Yeah.
There's no BT, it's the flying DM.
16936, we're in pursuit of the ADW truck going in the DWP incident. Eastbound went from Amwood. Requested back to Benjamin Supervisor.
Any rally traffic enemy to connect 810 Lower Cannon Boulevard for a key injury incident 3627.
666, how to be injured?
Correction, okay.
Did it back, let's try to look. 6936, what's the ETA on the back of the ship supervisor?
The suspect, later identified as 28-year-old Manuel Ramirez, entered the 5 freeway. Realizing he was being followed by the police, Ramirez switched routes several times to evade them.
16X36, we're going to be going in pursuit of the BBW suspect vehicle. We're going to be going eastbound, Tunsford, Cayuga, approaching Sacramento.
All frequency standby, 16X36 is in pursuit of the vehicle suspect. He's on to Sterling Cayuga, approaching San Fernando.
16X36, southbound 5 freeway, approaching Penrose.
Ramirez crashed through the gate of an apartment complex parking lot, but found himself in a dead end. He then turned the vehicle around in an attempt to escape. At this point, officers blocked the exit to apprehend Ramirez. However, Ramirez accelerated towards the officers, resulting in an OIS, the term officer-involved shooting. OIS is used to describe incidents where a police officer uses their firearm and shoots a person or object. These incidents usually attract significant community and media attention, often leading to formal investigations to determine whether the officer's actions were lawful and justified.
Fernando.
Slow down. 16X36, southbound 5 freeway, approaching Penrose.
Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. After coming up that ramp, he's facing your way.
I'm alright.
Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. After coming up that ramp, he's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the office. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. After coming up that ramp, he's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the office. He's ramping.
The impact caused Ramirez to lose control of the vehicle, crashing into a civilian-driven truck, leaving the vehicle severely damaged. Yet, this madman didn't stop. He continued to accelerate towards the officers, resulting in a second OIS.
Hey, rescue team on the side, get that dude out!
Continue to move the vehicle. He's reversing. Attempting to turn the vehicle.
Get that dude out!
Suspect has continued to move the vehicle, reversing. Suspect is ramming the... Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on the...
Hey, Sarge!
Ramirez drove a short distance before the vehicle came to a stop. Officers attempted to negotiate with Ramirez to surrender, but he refused.
No! Watch this! You guys good? Everyone good? I got you! Holy shit!
Hey! Grab some less lethal now! Grab... Hey! Fraser! Give me eye cover!
As he barricaded himself inside the vehicle, the SWAT team arrived at the scene and apprehended Ramirez without further incident.
We're gonna get you some medical help, man. Got his arm. Let me grab his leg. I got his arm. Alright, let's handcuff him.
No! Don't use that! Use the cup!
Okay, handcuff. We need to get him on the ground. Let's get him on the ground. Want to get him on the ground?
No!
I got one arm.
Señor, ¿qué es su voluntad? Yo sé que esta no es su voluntad.
I got this arm. I got his right. Got his right arm. You can let go.
Como siempre me ha salvado. Desde el principio y por los siglos de los siglos. Amén.
Ramirez, who was hit in the OIS, was taken to a local hospital for treatment of his injuries. He was released from the hospital and subsequently arrested for violating California Penal Code Section 245C, assault with a deadly weapon on a police officer, with his bail set at $152,000. California Penal Code Section 245***. This law aims to protect police officers and public officials from being assaulted while performing their duties and ensures that offenders face serious legal consequences. 3 officers were injured in this incident. 2 were treated at the scene for collision-related injuries, while another was treated at a local hospital and later released. The investigation revealed that the DWP truck was a stolen vehicle that had not yet been reported. This incident serves as a serious reminder of the devastating consequences of reckless driving and unauthorized use of vehicles. When Manuel Ramirez decided to steal a Los Angeles Department of Water and Power vehicle, he not only endangered his own life, but also put others at risk, including law enforcement officers and innocent citizens. Ramirez's reckless actions led to a dangerous pursuit, multiple collisions, and ultimately a tense standoff with the police. Reckless driving endangers not just the driver but the entire community. Ignoring traffic laws and driving carelessly can have catastrophic consequences. This incident highlights the dangers of vehicle theft and misuse, serving as a warning to all about the importance of obeying the law and respecting traffic safety. Always remember, following traffic laws is not just a personal responsibility but a duty to the community. Don't let moments of impulsiveness lead to irreversible consequences. Drive safely and responsibly. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest analysis videos from American Copwatch.